Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create grass in Blender. So for this we need to delete this cube by pressing X and then delete. And then I'm going to add mesh and the plane. And I'm going to resize this plane by pressing S. Okay, and now I need to change the thickness of this plane. So for this I'm going to use the solidify modifier. So I will click on the modify properties, add modifier, and then we are going to use solidify. And I'm going to change the thickness. This seems fine to me, and now it's time to add some hair. For this I'm going to click on the particle properties, and then we are going to click on the plus sign, and then we are going to click on the hair. And in order to move this hair in the upward direction, I'm going to select the plane and press R, X and 90. R, X, 90, enter. Then again R, X, 90 and then enter. Okay, now it's time to change the hair particles properties of the hair. So number I'm going to give it a 10,000 so that it will increase the intensity or density of the hair. And then I'm going to drop down the length of the hair, and I'll keep it between 0.5 to 0.7. And this length looks fine to me. Now it's time to do some coloring. For this I'm going to click on this viewport shading, and I'm going to select this plane from this editor window, plane, and then I'm going to click on the material properties, add new, and I'm going to give it a color. Base color is a brown color because that is going to give us a view of a soil. Texture of a soil. I'm going to make it a little bit darker. That looks fine to me. Now it's time to give the grass green color. So for this, again in the editor window, I'm going to select this particle again, and I'm going to give it a new material by pressing plus sign, new, and I'm going to give it a green color. Okay, this looks fine to me. Now it's time to move material. So for this I'll click on this upward arrow, and now it has given the grass the new color as a green color. So this is how we create the grass in Blender in just few minutes. Now it's time to if you want to add force field, just to give the direction, force direction or the wind direction to the grass, so we can add it from here. Add force field, wind, and I'm going to press G and move the wind here, and I'm going to press R to rotate the force field. Wherever your force field will go, the grass is going to follow the direction. So I'm rotating the force field and the grass is following the force direction. For example, here again you can see. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.